Today I want to show you a great exercise if you have hip pain, back pain, anything that feels stiff or painful in that general area. This can be a wonderful exercise. I'm going to show you the easy version. Then I'm going to show you the JV version, junior varsity. Then I'm going to show you the varsity version, which is definitely going to be more difficult, more of a challenge for those of you who are very goal oriented. So this is what it's going to look like. You're going to stand and you're going to have something about 8 to 10 inches high. This is the easy version. And what you're going to do is you're going to stand to the side of it and you are going to simply lift your leg forward, turn it out to the side, bring it around behind you, and then put it back down. Then you're going to go the other direction. You are going to pick that leg up. You are going to extend it behind you. You are going to open up that hip, bring it out, bring it around, and then bring it down. Now, you may have noticed that this also works on balance of your opposite leg. This is a good thing for you to do. So if you find this to be easy, and for a lot of you, this is going to be a challenge just to do this. Ooh. And the point is that you don't want to touch that stool with your foot. So you're going back and you're going forth. Here comes the junior varsity version, and I just so happen to have a box that is slightly higher. I'm going to stand to the side and slightly ahead of it, and I'm going to do the same exact thing. So I'm going to bring this hip up. I'm going to bring it out to the side. I'm going to bring it back, and I'm going to bring it down. Now, you'll notice at the end there, I did it kind of quick because I was starting to lose my balance. So it is definitely going to challenge your balance. And then you're going to go back and do it again. So you're going to start with going backwards, open up that hip, bring it around, and then bring it down. Let's show you the varsity version. I just so happen to have something that's even higher. Now for this, and really for all of these, feel free to use a chair and use that for support or stability if you need to. But what I want you to pay attention to is as I do this, watch how I compensate, because this is definitely the end range of my abilities at this point. So let's see how it works. So you're going to go up, open up, back around, and down. Now notice how I compensated by flexing my spine to the side. Be aware of that. If you can get away with not doing that, that's what you want to strive for. And then come back and definitely kick that leg straight back, because that's going to engage your gluteals, your butt muscles, and you're going to extend it backwards. You are going to bring it around. Oh Lord, up, through, and down. Obviously do it on both legs if you can. Use the chair if you need to for support. That does make it easier, but that will loosen up your hips, open up your hip girdle, stretch out the hip joint, and that actually takes a lot of pain out of hips and low backs just by doing that exercise. So give it a try and let's see how you do.